Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about Swanjhro. Swanjhro is drumstick flowers or Moringa flowers. We call it Swanjhro in Sindhi. It's a delicacy of Sindhi cuisine. We make curry out of it. We also make raita. We can maybe try out some more dishes, some experiment making pickle or something also with it. But today I'm going to show you how to clean the flowers. It takes a long time to clean it, and of course in winter we get the fresh ones, so we can enjoy the fresh flowers. But when it is not available, it lasts only for a month or so when they are not in season, we can store little bit, clean them, store them in the freezer so that we can use at least for coming few months. We can enjoy them. So today I'm going to show you how to clean them, how to boil and preserve them. So let us go and see how to do it. These are the drumstick flowers. I found nice and tender ones. Now we have to pick up all the stems and the waste from them. As I mentioned earlier, we call them Swanjhro or Swanjhre Jagulla in Sindhi. This is a very time consuming job. I would advise you sit down, put them in a tray, sit and do it listening to the music or something, because it takes a very long time to clean them. So I'm picking up all the stems. It's a tedious job, no wonder, but when you make the curry and enjoy it, it's worth the efforts. We find these flowers only in winter. So in winter we enjoy the fresh ones and store little to enjoy for few more months. This is how after cleaning you get the flower. I have picked some already to save the time. So much of waste has come out from the quarter kilo of flowers. This is 250 grams. Now let's start the process of cleaning them. First, wash them well under running water. Put them in a strainer or a colander. Now we will boil them. Take water in a large container so that there is enough water. Put 2 teaspoons of salt. About 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I am using apple cider vinegar. Dip in the washed flowers. Stir everything together and allow them to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. This removes any smell or even the bitterness. Little bit, slightly they are bitter, and this way the bitterness is removed. Now drain the water. I have this silicone one which is very handy. You can even steam the vegetables in it. Now we'll repeat the process again with half the quantity of salt and vinegar. I've added only 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Boil them again. This time just for 1 minute will do. Drain them. Now we are going to set them aside to cool well. You can cool them properly and pack them in the Ziploc bag. I've cooled them for 1 hour. Now put them into the Ziploc bag. We can make curries or we can make raita with these. You could even experiment something new. This time I will try to make some pickle out of them. So this way you can store some in your freezer and enjoy when they are not in season also. So here the pack is ready to go into the freezer. I have one already packed. So this is how you can store it in your freezer and enjoy whenever you require. Give it a try once if you have not tried making this curry. I'll be posting the recipe soon. Stay tuned. Thank you.